Hi, I'm Brian Burke, Woody's gardening and DIY expert. Nothing says summer like a nice display of sunflowers. They're easy and you can grow them anywhere. They grow so fast you can practically see it happening before your eyes. Here's what you're going to need. Okay, so that's our sunflower seeds planted. These need to be moved to a bright spot indoors, not too hot, not too cold. You'll see some action here after about 2 weeks, and then they need to be planted out to their permanent spot at the end of May. This is the spot where I'll be planting out my sunflowers at the end of May, early June. I've made sure it's weed free, there's some good rich soil in here. It's sheltered, it's a sunny spot, it's ideal for sunflowers. I have my canes at the ready to support them when they start to get really tall. And a little tip, when they're finished flowering, leave the flower heads intact. Birds love to feast on the seeds. Job done.